Ever wonder why some colors make you look fresh, sharp, and confident, while others make you look, well, kind of washed out? It's not just in your head. The right colors can enhance your features, brighten your skin, and make you look instantly more attractive. But the wrong ones? They can dull your complexion and kill your entire vibe. In today's video, I'll break down exactly how to find the best colors for your skin tone, so you never have to second-guess your outfit again. Let's get into it. Step 1. Identify your skin tone. First things first. What's your skin tone? Don't worry, I won't make this complicated. You fall into one of 3 categories: cool, warm, or neutral. Now here's the easiest way to figure it out. Check the veins on your wrist. If your veins look blue or purple, you have a cool skin tone. If they look greenish, you have a warm skin tone. If you can't really tell or it's a mix, you're neutral. But wait, there's another test. Ever put on a silver chain and it just pops? That means you have a cool skin tone. If gold jewelry looks better on you, you're warm-toned. If both look great, congrats, you're neutral and most colors will work for you. If you still can't tell, don't worry, you're probably neutral. And that's a good thing. Now let's move on to the fun part, picking your colors. Step 2. Best colors for each skin tone. Alright, now that you know your skin tone, here's what works best for you. Cool skin tones. If you have a cool skin tone, you'll look best in blues, emerald greens, cool grays, and crisp whites. Avoid yellows and oranges. They can make your skin look pale or washed out. Stick with deeper, richer shades to create contrast and bring out your natural color. Warm skin tones. For my warm-toned guys, earthy colors are your best friend. Think olive green, mustard, burnt orange, and warm browns. These shades will bring out the warmth in your skin and give you a naturally healthy, sun-kissed look. Avoid colors that are too cool, like icy blues or pastels. They can make your skin look dull. Neutral skin tones. If you have a neutral skin tone, congratulations, you have the most flexibility. You can wear both warm and cool shades, so feel free to experiment. But if you really want to stand out, try jewel tones like deep reds, rich blues, and forest greens. These colors will elevate your style instantly. Step 3. Color combinations that always work. Now that you know your best colors, let's talk combinations. A great outfit isn't just about one good color, it's about how you mix them. Monochrome magic. Wearing different shades of the same color creates a clean, put-together look. Try navy on navy, olive on olive, or gray on gray. Contrast is key. Darker pants with a lighter top create a well-balanced silhouette. Try a white shirt with navy trousers or a dark green jacket over a beige tee. The 60-30-10 rule. 60% of your outfit should be a neutral base, 30% a secondary color, and 10% an accent. Example? Navy blazer, 60%. Light blue shirt, 30%, and brown belt shoes, 10%. Follow these combos and trust me, you'll never second-guess your outfit again. Bonus, colors for different occasions. Now let's talk about when and where to wear these colors. Because trust me, showing up to a formal event in a neon yellow hoodie? Not the move. Casual days. Stick to earthy tones, blues, and comfortable neutrals. These colors make you look effortlessly stylish. Date nights. Deep colors like burgundy, charcoal, or dark green add a touch of mystery and class. Formal events. Navy, black, and gray should be your go-to. You can add personality with a tie or pocket square in your best colors. So what's your go-to color? Drop a comment below and let's talk style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing fashion tips. Stay sharp, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one.